How to use Facebook for beginners. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can use Facebook for beginners, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you are a beginner who signed up on Facebook, now first of all I'm assuming you must have already created your account and done everything else, because without doing that you will not be able to use Facebook. So I'm assuming you've done that already. Right when you open up Facebook, you're on the home page or the timeline where you'll be able to see feeds and whatever other people or your friends have actually posted. If you go to the watch section, this is where you'll be able to watch some stuff. Then when you go to friends tab, you'll be able to send and receive friend requests. When you come to marketplace, you'll be able to shop for products. Notifications just means notifications, obviously. If you tap the freelance option, here you can see all the shortcuts that are not available and not shown here because it doesn't fit, and you can access them from here. You can go to settings and privacy, and also go to settings to customize most of your settings. Now most important thing is your own profile. So to come to our own profile, just tap on the profile icon from the top left of your home page here. Then from here you'll be able to see your profile picture, your cover photo. You can add some details about yourself, and you will also be able to see some of the friends that you might have along with the post, and all the things that you have posted. You can view the comments, the likes, and so on. If you want to send someone a friend request, you can select them and just tap on the add friend option if that is a profile. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.